What are the requirements for Columbia Law School application? If you are considering applying to Columbia Law School, you might be wondering what it takes to put together a strong application. Let's break down the essential requirements for the Juris Doctor program, which is the primary focus for most applicants. First, you will need to complete the official application through Columbia's application portal. There is a non-refundable application fee of $85 that you must pay when submitting your application. Next, you will need to write a personal statement. This essay should explain your motivations for pursuing a legal career, your background, and what you hope to achieve at Columbia Law School. Standardized test scores are also required. You can submit scores from either the law school admission test or the graduate record examination. Columbia accepts both tests, but keep in mind that for early decision applicants, the last acceptable law school admission test is typically the October administration. If you choose to take the graduate record examination, it must be completed by early November. You will also need to provide 2 letters of recommendation. It is best if at least one of these letters comes from an academic source, such as a law professor or faculty member. If you have been out of school for some time, you can include a professional letter from a work supervisor instead. A current resume is another important component. This should highlight your education, work experience, and any relevant skills or accomplishments. Aim to keep your resume clear and professional, typically limited to 1 page. Additionally, you will need to submit a dean's certification or appraisal from your undergraduate institution. This document may include an evaluation of your academic performance and character. Official transcripts from all post-secondary institutions you have attended are required as well. These transcripts must be submitted through the Law School Admission Council for verification. If you are an international applicant, you may need to submit English language proficiency test scores, such as the test of English as a foreign language or the International English Language Testing System, unless you qualify for a waiver. Now, let's talk about the application deadlines. If you are applying for early decision, your application must be submitted by November 15th. For regular decision applicants, the deadline is February 15th. Keep in mind that applications are reviewed on a rolling basis, so submitting your application earlier can be beneficial. Make sure all your materials are complete and submitted by the deadlines. It is wise to request letters of recommendation well in advance to give your recommenders enough time. Tailor your personal statement to reflect how you fit with Columbia Law's academic environment and values. Lastly, keep track of all submission confirmations and follow up if necessary to ensure your application is complete. By following these guidelines, you can create a strong application for Columbia Law School.